The Daily Code Snippet. With a definition list, you will list terms and then define them. With a definition list, you will use the DL element, and the terms will be defined using the element DT. And finally, the definition itself would be inside the element DD. So continuing with our Filipino cookbook example, there may be a glossary of terms. In this glossary, we may find the terms jackfruit, salted eggs, and roast suckling pig. We can see the use of the different elements in this example of jackfruit. You can see how you would use the DL, the DT, and the DD elements to mark up the information. DL opening tag, DT opening tag, jackfruit, DT closing tag, DD opening tag, jackfruit is one of the largest fruits in the world, DD closing tag, DL closing tag. Nested lists are when lists are placed in other lists. So let's say we have a list of foods from Filipino cuisine, adobo, nilaga, and sinigang. But it turns out there's more than one kind of adobo. So you would want to have an internal sublist of the different kinds of adobo. In our example, pork, chicken, and fish. To nest a list, when you get to the list item that has a sublist, before closing the list item, you will add another unordered list, in this case, and then have each list item of the sublist. It is only after the last item in the sublist that you will add the closing tag, so the sublist of types of adobo becomes nested in the larger list of dishes from Filipino cuisine. UL opening tag, LI opening tag, adobo, UL opening tag, LI opening tag, pork, LI closing tag, LI opening tag, chicken, LI closing tag, LI opening tag, fish, LI closing tag, UL closing tag, LI closing tag, LI opening tag, nilaga, LI closing tag, LI opening tag, sinigang, LI closing tag, UL closing tag. Presented by Designers Learn Code.